What's up, guys? Back at it again. This time we are bam getting some new wheels on the Sierrita. Yep, we're going with some weld S71s 15s. So I'm gonna show you guys how to mount these up without having to change all that deal right there, the caliper and all that. We're gonna make them tuck one way or another, but we're gonna make them tuck. All right, so I'm actually these are the S71s 15 by 10s on some 28 12.5s ET Street Mickey Thompsons. So let's get into it. ¿Qué te está riendo? Huh? Huh? Mira, she's sagging.
Like you.
Mira, aquí está mi sidekick. She just had her first heat, so we're waiting on her to her second one.
What about me?
And then we're gonna have some nice little puppies here pretty soon. So you guys interested, y'all stay subscribed to the channel and stay in touch, because I'll be posting pictures of her. Y'all can follow her Instagram. I'll post her right there, right below. So ándale, hurry up, ve a agarrar tu mascarilla para que me ayudes aquí a grind.
Que se la ponga.
Let's get back to it. So we're gonna start grinding all this off and just kind of making space for the 15 and see how it fits. So by stuff that I've been looking into, you have to shave this down, part of here and part of here, certain spots. So I'm gonna start just shaving down and kind of go to town with it, and then I'll mount the wheel and make sure everything fits. And the size wheel, the bolt pattern is a 5x120, so that's a Corvette Camaro size wheel. So I run adapters on it, and here's the adapter I got, a 2-piece adapter. So going from the 6x139 to the 5x120. So and here are the tools I'm gonna use. Wham, and that's it, man. And of course, safety first. Let's get down. Let's get to town. I shaved off quite a bit. See, like it had little notches here and there, so I shaved all those down, got up to here because I'm running a spacer, so it's gonna bring it out a bit more. All right, so now I use this primer just to spray on there, and after I do that, I'll mount the wheel on here, kind of bolt it down with two lug nuts and spin it, see where it rubs. You see, as you guys can see, rubs there, rubs a bit here, a bit there, and the same thing here at the bottom. All right, it's kind of dark, so can't really see. So I'm gonna go ahead and grind that off. I ran out of battery, so I'm waiting for them to charge up a bit more. Finish grinding that off, and hopefully I am good. All right, so let's see how this comes out. Pretty good, hopefully. So I had to come to a stop for a little bit, working on the truck rear wheels, since they're actually redoing my driveway. So hopefully they finish it up pretty quick, man. Yeah, because it was my whole driveway was all cracked up and stuff. So yeah, thanks to that thing right there. So they're putting it all back together, and let's see how long it takes them. Luckily the vet's in the shop. Just sucks that my truck was out there, but that's all good, man. All right, just a little quick update, and then we'll get back on the brakes. Yes, finally I can get back to work. Yep. What y'all think? It's good. Still in the works, so we'll see see how everything ends up, and hopefully it's dry by this weekend so I can get back to work. It's good, huh? Oh my god, I still can't use this freaking driveway. As you guys can see, it's done, but I have to wait 5 to 7 days for it to feel fully cure, and so I can be able to put a car on there. Anyways, guys, this here is a lot of work. All right, if you have the time, go ahead and do it. If you don't, I'm gonna post the links below on where to buy the actual caliper and bracket and everything, so you guys could just do the swap, and y'all won't have to grind at all, because I've been grinding for a while. All right, I spent a weekend, a couple of hours, and I shut down. Then the driveway was actually getting done. Now this weekend I've been grinding since yesterday. All right, so I've been grinding since yesterday, and I actually had to buy a electric grinder to plug in because I was running out of batteries. All right, so now it's going a lot smoother, a lot faster. I really haven't spent so much money. It's just like the wheels, the cutting wheels. This I think I got it for like 18-20 bucks, that grinder, and the wheels the same. I think like total under 50 bucks easy I spent. All right, so that's the good thing about it. Bad thing is you have a lot of time that you're gonna spend grinding. All right, so this freaking sucks. And but anyways, here I'll show you guys a picture of I'm gonna post a picture and of the comparison to the grinded side and the other side that's not grinded. All right, so I mean, as you guys can see here, look at the thickness of this. All right, that it's really thin. All right, so that just tells you how much I grinded off that thing. So I grinded quite a bit, so you guys take a look for yourselves, and I'll post a link below on the actual brackets you need to avoid this, unless you want to grind. I'll post the grinder I use. I'll post everything I've been using, so just so you guys know. And here's my adapter that I actually use to run the 5x120 wheels. And yeah, y'all check it out and choose whatever route you guys want. I torqued all these already, the inside ones, because this is a 2-piece adapter. All right, the inside nuts are, which are 6 of them, 95 foot-pounds, and then you put this piece on top, and these hex are 55 foot-pounds. All right, so go ahead and start mounting this wheel up and see how it freaking fits. Hopefully I don't get no rubbing. And I did this a lot. A lot. It's just not on camera. There it goes. Oh, finally. There it goes, guys. No rubbing. Look at that. Wait. Look at the clearance on that. You see the clearance? God, hopefully that thing does not rub. If it'll rub on the fat part right here. So we'll see. It looks sick though. Love it. I know once I go through these tires, I'm gonna go with a 31. I need to check the sizes on these. I'm gonna keep the 12.5, probably a 31. I need a taller tire for sure, because I could fit it and I could tuck it real good. So we'll see. Let me go ahead and torque these down. All right, guys. So here's the other side, and here I'll show you all the comparison again. All right, y'all check that out. And you see how right there in that hole, there's actually the thickness of it is like a 1/4 inch. So this actually has to get shaved down like halfway, all the way down halfway. And also I did the marking on here. This is how far you actually have to go. Well, with my wheels. All right, so as the marking, as long as I shave all the way back here, I'm good. And as you guys saw on the previous one, you actually have to shave into this. So you shave into all this, and then you probably go like right here. So this is quite a bit that you got to shave down, like a 1/4, and this almost disappears as well. And the same thing here, almost all of it. So it's quite a bit, man. And at least I know how far I got to shave down. I'm gonna be putting on and taking off the wheel and stuff, you know. Then also here, you got to trim all that, like shave it down where it's almost like flush, nice and even. So let me go ahead and get down with this thing. Let's see how long it takes me, because it was a lot of work on that other one. So let's see, hopefully I'll finish it by today. There it is, guys. What y'all think? Is it good or what? Ooh, that big old fat tire. Yep. So much shit. Look at that. There's a whole lot of meat there, boy. Yep. Whole lot of meat. What I love is that it matches my front one, so yep. Love it. Look at that. Man, it's so freaking fat. Wow. Yep. Alright, guys. Well, hope this helped out. And I'll post all the links right below of everything I used, all the tools, tire sizes, wheel setup, everything. All right, I'll make sure I check out the description, and catch you guys on the next one.